Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to adjust dark mode background shades on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, go to display and brightness. In display and brightness, okay, you can see the dark mode. Okay, tap the dark mode. And okay guys, so we can try, okay, if the dark mode is enabled or turned on, you can adjust the background shade. Okay, you can adjust to the left to lighter the background shade. And you can adjust to the right to darker the background shades. Okay guys, I decide to middle. And okay guys, so that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.